Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure shot lister for shot lists to editing timeline easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open shot lister and create a new project. Begin by entering the title of your project. Add your shooting days by tapping on the plus icon. For each shooting day, input the relevant details such as date and location. Navigate to the Shots tab to start adding your shot list. Click on the plus icon to create a new shot. Enter the shot number, scene description, and any specific notes. You can also assign the shot to a specific character or location if needed. Once your shot list is complete, review it for accuracy. Next, prepare to export your shots to the editing timeline. Go to the export option, usually found in the settings menu. Select the format that's compatible with your editing software. Choose timeline from the export options if available. Make sure to adjust any settings related to file format or resolution. Finalize the export and save it to a designated folder on your computer. Open your editing software. Import the exported shot list into your editing software. Check that all your shots are correctly placed in the timeline. Adjust any timings and placements as necessary. Review your timeline to ensure everything flows correctly. You are now ready to start editing your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.